Okay, today we're gonna talk about discount. Okay, discount's my favorite because it saves us money. When we go to the store, we always look for discounts, right? If you have the coupon, Black Friday always brings great deals. You walk into the mall, Target, Walmart, and it says, 20% off or 50% off, 30% off. So all of that is discount. So we're going to be, for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be learning math that's in the real world. Okay, so it's pretty cool. There's 2 steps for discount. Step number 1, okay, step number 1, we're writing this down, is you're going to find the discount amount. Okay? As in, how much are you going to save? Are you going to save $2 or are you going to save $100? How much are you going to save? Because what they tell you is a percent. Hey, you're saving 20%. Cool. Is that $20? Not necessarily. How do I do this? You're going to take your price and you're going to multiply it by your percent. But your percent has to be written as a decimal. Okay? So, the first step is to find the discount amount. How do I do that? I take my price and I multiply it by my percent written as a decimal. So your first step is to multiply. This will give you your discount amount. In other words, how much do you save? Am I going to save again $20, $5, $100, $1,000? How much do I save? Find the discount amount, take your price, multiply it by a percent written as a decimal. Again, this gives you your discount amount or how much you save. All right, that's your first step, to multiply. Your second step is to find the new price. Find the new price. The price you're actually going to be paying for. So our second step is to take your old price, the one from up here, because now it's old. We don't want to pay that. And you're going to subtract, because discount, you pay less. So to pay less, we need to subtract. The discount amount. So you take your old price and you subtract your discount amount. So your answer to the first one, you're going to plug it in here. So the answer to your first step, you're just going to put it down here, and this will give you your new price. So let's say this glue stick cost $1, but it's on sale, right? Now it only costs 80 cents. So how much did I save? 20 cents, right? So the price went down. That's a discount. It's $1, but they're having a sale on glue sticks. Yay, teachers. And now it costs 80 cents. That's an example. Okay? So that's what we're going to be learning about today. All right. So, and you all have experienced this in your life. You've all, probably saved some money, gone to the store, be like, okay, I want to buy these shoes or I want to buy this. And if it's discounted, you save more money. All right. So let's say Miss Lamelli needs to upgrade her desktop computer in order for her to continue YouTubing and doing her, obviously she needs a better gaming computer, right? So yeah, yes, of course. Yes, All right. Best Buy. Trying to log on to Best Buy. It's not allowing me to. Let me check my settings. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I no longer have Wi-Fi. Oh no.
Looks like they don't want you to save money.
All right. Okay, now I guess I have Wi-Fi. I should have looked it up on my phone. All right. Here's where we're at Best Buy. Okay. And obviously, I need
Get a TV.
I need a gaming gaming desktop. I want it on the desk. Okay. And of course, I want the colorful one. Well, that looks colorful. I'm sure if the more color, the better it is.
That's so aesthetic.
All right. So I know you can see me. All right. So we're going to use this as an example of this CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme. That sounds like me. Desktop. Yep. We're gonna round this though. It says it's $1,599.99. So if we round it to the nearest dollar, what would it be? What is it? 1,600, 1,600. All right, so we're gonna write that down. So we're gonna say our gaming desktop cost $1,600. All right, so we're writing this down. This is an actual price, right? I'm not making it up. It's from Best Buy, $1,600 for this gaming. But I have a coupon. And I am going to save 25%. Okay? So it is on sale. Yes. So a desktop right there. Sell for 25% off. So it's 25% off. Does that mean $25? No. Okay, so 25%. Tanya, can you write this down for us, please? That would be 33%. It's a quarter. 25% is a quarter, so it's a quarter off. Not 25 cents, though. Okay. First things first. First step. What was our first step again? Take your price and you multiply it by your percent, right? Okay, what's my price? $1,600. And you're going to multiply it by your percent. But my percent has to be written as a decimal. So 25% is written how as a decimal? Close. 0.25. So we got to move it twice. Thank you for trying. Thank you for providing. So remember the word, remember back in the day when we used to use deep? So 25%. So I'm percent into decimal. You're going to move it 2 times for the e's. So 1, 2. Right? So 0.25. So we're going to multiply by 0.25. Isabella, we got this written down? Yeah? All right, so now let's start multiplying. That's kind of why we reviewed it yesterday. If you can do it on your own, do it on your own. If you need to follow me, follow me. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 3, 30, carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 placeholder. Now multiply everything by 2. Tanya, write this down. We're here. We're good. Multiply everything by 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Add them up. Check your work. Make sure you have all the 3 zeros at the end. Right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. Okay. Now, this is how much you're saving. Can you save $40,000 on something that cost $1,600? No. So that's how you check yourself. You go, wait a minute. My answer cannot be bigger than what it's costing, right? Best Buy isn't going to give me the laptop plus $30,000, right? That doesn't make any sense. What am I missing? The decimal. So when you're doing these problems, you're like, why is my number so big? Remind yourself, I got to do the decimal. So there's two numbers after the decimal, so I'm going to move it 2 times. 1, 2. How much money is this? 400. So you're going to save $400. Yeah, but you're saving, right? Okay, so step number 2, which Diego, you did in your head, but you're going to write it down on paper so you know what to do when it comes to your homework, reviewing for a test. Step number 2, take your old price, $1,600, and subtract your answer. What's my answer? 400. Do I need these extra zeros? No. If they're not zeros, you do need them. If they're zeros, you can drop them. So what's 1,600 minus 400? Good. This is called my new price is $1,200. Notice that your dollar sign goes in the front. I know it's pronounced $1,200, so kids think the dollar sign goes in the back, but the dollar sign goes in the front. Okay? So always make sure you put the dollar sign in the front. Even though when you say it, you say dollars at the end, it's in the front. And that's it. It's just 2 steps. Multiply and then subtract. Excuse me. What I realized, though, is our gaming computer that we're so proud of doesn't have a monitor. Terrible. What?
Isn't there also something called honey?
So, huh?
Oh, yeah. Nobody knows what that is.
Excuse me, watch your language, please.
Did you just say honey? Yeah. Like honey that like bees make? No.
All right.
Which one?
You said it out loud, Gerardo. You invited the whole class to participate.
Does zero people even know what that is?
Okay, so let's not. We can talk about it later, kids. We can talk about it later. All right, here's my. I'm back on. Okay, so I need a monitor. Obviously, that didn't come with a monitor. So let's see. I need the best kind. So
You're gonna get the most expensive.
no, not the most expensive.
Come on.
You know what? This one right here, it's already on sale. I'm already saving $150. That's great. That's great. Was $800. Now it's how much? $650. Good job. And I have a coupon. So I'm gonna get this monitor.
You can get it for today's store.
You can get it.
Yeah, I can get it by Thursday, or I can pick it up in Orange. Free shipping, always nice.
Oh my god, get it.
All right. So the monitor cost $650. Wow. The monitor costs $650. I mean, it's here. We're not making this up. Obviously, there are cheaper ones or more expensive. Okay. Okay, so we're going to. It is on sale for 15% off. 15% off. So we're already saving $150. We're gonna save even more. So $650, and it's 15% off, right? I have an additional coupon. So what's our first step, Emmanuel? Yes, our first step is to take our price, $650, and we're going to multiply it by what? Percent, but it has to be written as a decimal. So 15% would equal 0.15. 0.15. Very good. 15% is equal to 0.15. So here on the side, Luis, I'm going to write it down, 0.15. And we're doing the math. Either you're doing it ahead of me, or you're doing it with me. But you shouldn't be writing monitor at this point, right? That would be a little too behind. All right. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. So that's our first line. Now we're going to add a 0 placeholder. And now I'm going to multiply everything by 1. I think everyone in this classroom can do that part on their own. Multiply all of these numbers by 1 and write your answer right here. Multiply by 1, multiply by 1, multiply by 1. Don't forget the 0 placeholder and add. When you're multiplying by 2 numbers, the second one has 2 numbers, you're going to have 2 lines of work. 0, 5, 7, 9. Am I going to save $9,000? No. $97 because I got to move my decimal 2 times. So you're going to save $97.50. But how much are you going to pay? What's my second step? Subtract 650 minus 97.50. Now where do I write the 97.50? How do I go about writing it in the right spot? Where does the 9 go? Underneath what? The 5. The 9 goes underneath the 5. The 7 goes underneath the 0. Uh-oh, what am I missing on the $650? A decimal and 2 zeros. Remember, when a number doesn't have a decimal, it's in the back. And let's write 2 zeros down. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, uh-oh, can't do it. This becomes a 10, a 9, and a 4 for now. Yeah, we got to practice those subtraction with borrowing skills. Oh no, I have 4 minus 9. I can't do 4 minus 9. So what do? Borrow again. Well, here is my answer. My new price is $552 for my monitor. Are we okay so far? Honestly, the steps are not hard. You multiply and you subtract. The hard part is if you don't know how to multiply, yes, this is extremely hard. If you don't know how to borrow, yes, I can see how this is hard. But when you realize, like, oh, all I have to do is multiply and subtract, it's not hard. It's just like, I have to practice this. I need to go to tutoring and ask, hey, can you teach me this a little bit slower? And they will. All right. And then I realized when I got home and I set up my computer, my new gaming computer, I realized, you know, the monitor's kind of small. And I realized, like, I need something better. Yeah, I did. So then I'm like, you know what would be great for gaming? To project my gaming skills on a TV screen.
What? You already have one right there.
It's too small.
What?
It's too small.
It's big
I'm
enough.
sorry, what?
It's too small. It's too small.
That's bigger than my TV.
So
The whole class can see it.
I need a TV that's 85 inches or more, obviously. And I obviously need it to be, I didn't know there was an 8K.
What?
Yeah, I clicked on 8K first period. They're all not available, so I can't buy them. But yeah, there's such a thing as 8K. Today literally was the first time
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
Look how
But they're all unavailable, so I have to downgrade to 4K. Yep. I mean, I could get the first one. $20,000 in store only. My card. It's 100-inch. 100-inch TV.
My God.
I don't have to wear glasses to watch TV now. SpongeBob is gonna be ginormous. Okay, so yeah, one person who spent $20,000. Crazy, huh? All right, let's do this one. You know, this is like Samsung, super cool. 85-inch, I think it'll fit perfectly. You're already saving $200. Yay us! But we have a discount. All right, so let's write this down. This TV. There we go. January 22nd. That's quite a bit of time. All right. So right now it costs $3,799.09. So what are we going to round this up to? What do we round this price to? 3,000 what? No. Yes, Miss O'Malley. Hi. Yes. Good.
I just really see my
Okay, so I got a call. Hold on one second. All right. We're going to finish this problem. Chill, relax, we're good. All right. So the TV cost $3,800. But of course, Miss O'Malley is never going to pay full price for anything, really. It's 40% off.
Make some space.
Right? Okay. Can you start this one before I do it? Can you go all the way? That's a good sign if you can go all the way. No.
It's based on the sport brand. It's point 40. You're kind of just saving
So 3,800 times. How do I write 40% as a dot 40? Okay. Okay. When you multiply by zeros, you know it all ends up being 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for each number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, again, number one mistake kids do when they're multiplying, they forget this. 0 placeholder. All right, now multiply everything by 4 before I do it. Huh? Yeah. So 0, 0, 32, carry the 3, 15, 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 1. So you're going to save $1,520. You're saving a lot. 2 reasons. 1, it costs a lot to begin with. And 2, 40% is a big percent. 40% is a lot. You get a lot of 50% for like Black Friday and stuff. All right, second step. We're going to take 3,800 and we're going to subtract $1,520. And you're going to borrow. So our new price is $2,280. Another way you can check to see if you're right or wrong, in discount, my final answer should be bigger or smaller than what I started. So should I pay more than $3,800? No, right? So if your answer ends up being bigger than what you started with, you know you did something wrong.
Yeah.
So you can check yourself, like before you start submitting answers on like a quiz. Be like, okay, is this smaller? Yes. Is this smaller? Yes. Sometimes when you don't line up decimals correctly, you end up with weird answers. All right, we are going to start but not finish a worksheet. We're gonna probably finish it mañana.